IVM.
Namaskar, dear Bandhu. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and good to see you here on Begin the Journey. I read something interesting and I thought that I must share this with you. Don't let yesterday take too much of today. Yesterday. Oh, yesterday. That's what that person did. I didn't like how he behaved. I could have done something more. Yaar, why do I do this? What the hell does she think about herself? All happened yesterday. Now, yesterday is a bit like, in Hyderabad, we call Parsu. Arey, Parsu aaya tha. Parsu is anything before today. In fact, it's anything before this moment. It's like Parsu it happened. So, Parsu is not just day before, it is anything that has happened before this moment. And when each one of those things which have happened, and quite a few things have happened in the past, when we allow those things to clutter our today, I promise you, today looks filled. Today looks ordained by the past. It says, you know what? I know how this today is going to look like, because a whole lot of yesterday is entrenched in our today. Let's look at it as to how it happens. Imagine, my friend, you and I have had experiences which we haven't liked. We haven't found the world right in doing what it did to us. And then we have said, I have learned a lesson. More than a lesson, it's something that we say to ourselves, saying that, you know what? I am not ever going to give this person another chance. I am never going to give that kind of a thing an opportunity to hurt me ever again. And therefore, we have now steeled ourselves. But have we just steeled ourselves? I have found that as I have made those decisions based on things that have happened in the past, my this present is filled with walls. Walls through which those people or others will never have a chance to get in. Now, what I'm doing is that I may be castigating, I may be throwing out certain things in people and situations, but I'm also insulating myself from other possibilities which may look like those people, look like those instances. Now, I know that there are certain people, certain things which have happened in your life, and you don't want to repeat them. So here, make a very clear categorization. Allow yourself to move ahead, but allow others with maybe a similar bent of mind, allow them in, because who knows, they may be offering you possibilities or maybe opening up things for you which you probably never saw before. Dear friends, as we keep our today free from the stuff that we want to stuff in from day before and yesterday's, we will find an open playing field in the today. It's very important that as I step into each day, I want to explore new possibilities. And I promise you, at the age of 55, I've seen quite a bit of stuff. And a whole lot of new set of things remind me of some things that have happened in the past. If I keep stopping them from getting into my life, I'll have very few things to operate from. On the other hand, what I do is that I get judicious. I say, okay, I think I've heard this before, but let me take this on the merits that it seems at this moment. I've discovered that things have surprised me in the positive way. I've discovered that new possibilities have opened up when I have dared to take on things which otherwise I would have kept away. Over the years, as an actor, as a speaker, as I travel through different worlds, as I take on new challenges even in this COVID era, when I can go beyond the fears of day befores, I can really create extraordinary value. In this entire period, as I'm traveling across cities, across different kinds of work, it could be shootings for OTTs, shootings for films, across languages, in Hyderabad, in Bombay, in Delhi, in Varanasi. All over, I am being responsible towards the things that are happening around me. I am taking care, but at the same time, I'm not allowing that fear, that apprehension from stopping me from being in action. Remember, my friend, This is one life that you and I have. Let's not crowd that today that this life offers, the possibilities that we can create in this today. Let's not stop those possibilities by things from yesterday. So I would love to hear from you. How will it be for you if you can stop allowing your yesterday to crowd your today? Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi. Please join me on my website, avidminer.com, and on Twitter at Ashish Ved, on Instagram on Ashish Vidyarthi1, and please come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ashish Vidyarthi1. Lovely to speak to you on Begin the Journey. See you the next time. Cheers.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank the sponsors on our network this week, Seat Tires. So we had a fantastic week. Tune into This Round is on Me, where Gauri Devidayal has a chat with Divya Ravichandran on the issues of waste management in India and how recycling, composting, and using eco-friendly alternatives can help. On Filter Coffee Podcast, Karthik speaks with Lux Narayan about his book Name, Place, Animal, Thing, an inspiring non-fiction fable about hope, positivity, and living your best life. On All Things Policy, Anirudh Kanisetti talks to Prateek Wakre and Rohan Sheth about Australia's conflict with Facebook and Google and what this means for big tech companies and the news ecosystem. On the Simplified Podcast, Naren and Tony talk about greenwashing, which is businesses unfairly marketing themselves as eco-friendly just to ride the sustainability wave. You should also check out the Cyrus Says episode with Varun Deshpande of the Good Food Institute, where they talk about plant-based alternatives. Varun does a great show with us called Feeding 10 Billion. Do check out this episode of Cyrus Says. They have a really interesting conversation. On the Millennial Athlete, Tanvi and Shlok speak to the badminton doubles player Satvik Sairaj about his successful stints at some of the recently concluded games. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Whether you're an established sports person or a budding one, or simply a sports enthusiast, join us, Tanvi and Shlok.
We are two passionate pro badminton players talking policy, mindset, and everything sport.
So tune in to the Millennial Athlete every Monday.
Only on the IVM Podcast Network.
Trust us, it's gonna be lit.